BMW Motorrad made a splash at the 2024 EICMA motorcycle show with the debut of the BMW F 450 GS concept. This new edition is designed to bring adventure-style riding into the sub-500 cubic centimeters category, targeting riders who want a versatile bike that is both accessible and capable. It serves as a bridge between BMW's smaller G310 GS and their more robust F800 and F900 series, making it an appealing choice for entry-level and intermediate riders. Under the hood, or rather the fuel tank, BMW has equipped the F450 GS with a newly developed 450 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine that delivers around 48 horsepower. BMW has paid special attention to tuning, creating an engine with a distinct ignition offset to give it an extra dose of personality and throttle responsiveness. The design of the BMW F 450 GS takes inspiration from its larger GS siblings, especially the R1300 GS, resulting in a familiar yet fresh look. The bike sports an angular front beak, strong radiator shrouds, a substantial fuel tank, and a streamlined tail section, all coated in a striking white, blue, and red color scheme that evokes the look of BMW's Trophy series. It is designed to catch the eye while staying true to BMW's adventure heritage. BMW has not held back on performance details either. The F450 GS concept sits on a lightweight yet rugged frame, with fully adjustable upside-down forks in the front and an adjustable monoshock at the rear, set to handle a variety of terrains with confidence. The wheels, a 19-inch front and a 17-inch rear, come in either cross-spoke or cast aluminum versions, depending on the rider's preference. For technology lovers, BMW has equipped the concept with a 6.5-inch TFT display featuring Bluetooth connectivity, a variety of riding modes, and lean-sensitive anti-lock braking, making this adventure bike as smart as it is tough. Expected to hit the market in 2025, the BMW F 450 GS is set to compete in the lightweight adventure segment alongside the KTM 390 Adventure and the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, offering a mix of style, power, and practicality for riders ready to explore both city streets and rugged trails.